The fluorescent lights in our garage are no longer working, so I'm going to replace them. And I'm going to replace them with these. These are LED lights. It's the same wattage, 40 watts and 4100 kelvins. And the LED lights are going to last longer. They're a little more expensive, but they're better value. And as you can see, we need no rewiring. It uses the same ballast as the fluorescents. So it's super simple. So I'm just going to take the old tube and twist it clockwise and then just pull it out. I'll show you that again. I'm going to take the old tube, I'm going to twist it clockwise and then just pull it straight down. And now if you look at the end here, we're going to put the new one in that channel, that center channel, and then twist it counterclockwise. So I'm just going to, at both ends, take the two prongs and slide them up through that center channel. And I'm just going to turn it counterclockwise till it sets in place. Again, just take the two prongs at the end, slide them up through that center channel, and then twist counterclockwise until it sets in place. And let's see how it works. All right, very simple. That's how it looks like from down below. Very, very simple, just changing a light bulb. Thank you for watching.